Hello, sewing people of the internet. My hat is broken, and I'm going to try to fix it. So the bill of my hat is coming out. It just has to be re-sewn here, and the bill is hard. I don't know what these are made of. If you know, post it in the comment section below. So I'm going to try to fix it with the Singer Heavy Duty. This is going to be part of the ongoing and nearly finished review of the Singer Heavy Duty machine. Evaluation more than review. And if this is the first time you've tuned in for one of these, or if you missed a bunch, I'm really liking this machine, and I'm on the verge of giving my final word on the machine, and it's quite positive, even though there's been a couple of hiccups. That said, I like to call my shots, and I'm going to predict that this is not going to be able to sew through this. Maybe I'll be wrong, but I'm going to try it. If it doesn't work, I'm going to use my Sailrite LSZ1. So first I'm going to try to sew it with the Singer Heavy Duty. It currently has one of the needles that came with the machine. It's a size 90 needle. I don't have a bunch of other needles for this machine, so it's entirely possible that if it doesn't work, maybe a different needle would have been better. But I'm using V92 thread. A size 90 needle with V92 seems pretty appropriate. So hopefully it'll work, but I guess if not, just keep in mind that perhaps it's possible that there's some changes that I could have made. It may not be entirely the fault of the machine. But anyway, let's see if it'll work. So the needle's penetrating the bill of the hat okay. It's not super easy, though. I'm not sure about how well it's going to do under power, but I stand corrected. A little bit of a struggle, but it's actually doing it better than I might have expected. And now we're off of the bill. Having a hard time backing up over the hump, but that's all right. Okay, the hat's good as new. Free plug, this is not sponsored content, but if you don't already know, I'm an ultra-marathon runner, and I train with a coach. His company is All Day Endurance. If you are an athlete who's looking for a coach to work with, he works remotely with people all over, so feel free to look him up and reach out. I will tell you that in the year that I trained with him, I got new PRs or personal records in my 5K, my marathon, and my 50K. So it was definitely effective training with him. But so anyway, hat's fixed, and I guess there's no point in going to the Sailrite because the Singer did it. Not a knock against the Sailrite. There are definitely things that Sailrite will do better than this can do. But yeah, amazingly enough, this actually did this just fine. I'll show you the inside so you can see the stitches on the bottom. Doesn't appear to be any problems with tension. So anyway, that's just a quick video, again, showing some of the capabilities of the Singer Heavy Duty. I hope you found that useful or interesting or entertaining or something. If you like this video, clicking like is always a nice thing to do. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. There's some links below in the description you can check out, and I'll see you in a future video. Thanks so much. Okay, so I said it was more technical. Yeah, I think I'm going to probably turn around here because I could probably walk by, but I don't want to disturb him, and I don't want to encounter this all the way back to where I came in here. So if I was hiking, I might try to get around it without disturbing it. And I would be more willing to press on, but when I turn around to head back, I'm going to be pretty tired and getting hungry, and I don't want to have a standoff with an alligator for 20 minutes. So that was a fun little distraction. All right, catch you later on the trail.